Hello, it's been a few weeks since our last video, our last weekly update. And since then we've come across the end of the tax year on the 5th of April. So we're now into a new tax year. And now we're starting to work on clients' tax returns and year-end accounts for the 2017-18 tax year. In actual fact, we've got about half a dozen March year-end company cases drafted already, and we're sitting at the 13th of April. So within 2 weeks of the year-end date, we have figures to talk to clients about how the business is done for the last 12 months. And there's a couple of things we're finding in relation to the clients we're working with on Xero and on their cloud-based systems. And it's a bit of a variance in the quality of the accounting records that have been maintained. And the variance seems to be arising because of the frequency in which clients are keeping their books and records up to date. So quite often we're hearing that, for some couple of clients we've been looking at, they've had a few issues on their accounting systems. Things haven't been as neat and tidy as maybe they could have been. And it's because they haven't been doing it on a regular basis, and they've been coming at it and doing big blocks of data entry at certain points in time. And what they've been saying is, I don't have enough time to do this every week or every month. And that's really a bit of a false economy, because what they're doing then in sort of 3 or 4 months later in terms of doing a catch-up is throwing things together as quickly as possible, but making a lot of mistakes. So we're having to come in at the year end and provide an additional service to correct certain mistakes which have happened because of the way that things have been processed. So there's a couple of things I would say about that. Number one, if you've got your cloud systems set up properly and you've been trained properly on how they should be used, and you use them on a regular basis, you'll get much better quality information coming through, and your year-end accounts can really just flow out of the system quite quickly after the year end. But the second thing I would say about that is, if people are really struggling to actually keep their books and records up to date, maybe because their business has certain issues, maybe because their business needs to focus on sales and marketing and developing products and services, then outsourcing your entire finance function is also an option. And that's what we do here at Cloud 360 with clients. We provide certain clients with a weekly or monthly bookkeeping service, which enables them to get on with a lot of the more important stuff in terms of working on the business. But also gives them quality information, knowing that their complete finance function is being handled by a team of professionals, a team of chartered accountants, and accounting technicians and cloud specialists to make sure that they're able to make more money, save time with better systems, and gives them peace of mind. If that's the type of business you'd like to have, if you're considering maybe outsourcing your finance function, please talk to us. We'd be more than happy to take things forward for you, give you more time to yourself and let you work on your business. So get in touch, and we'll be more than happy to take your business to the next level.